Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. And in today's video, I'm actually reviewing this tall hamper basket. This one holds up to 105 liters of volume. You can store a lot of blankets, pillows here, maybe some toys, or just anything you want. I also love that this basket could also be your laundry hamper, for example. And it's super tall. It's very spacious. I believe I have around like 5 blankets right now inside here. And when I received this basket, it was actually folded. Everything was having a lot of creases around. So I can also include some footage for you. So when I unfolded it, I also put a lot of blankets, really stuffed them, especially like around the corners right here, and then just let it sit for a while. And today, after it has been sitting for, I don't know, maybe around a week time, I prepare my steamer and I'm actually ready and steam all of these creases around on the sides just to make sure it looks nice, and it also keeps its shape when you take the blankets out. So yeah, let me actually steam it all around. Then I can take all of the blankets out and then I can show you the end result. And also, if you don't have a steamer at home, there's no problems whatsoever. You can actually spray it a little bit with the water and then just use your hair dryer to kind of create that steam effect, and especially around the creases like right here, make sure that they all comes away, and you can also use that method to help you out. And as you can see, I just finished steaming this basket. You can still see a little bit of creases still around, but I believe that could be fixable when I actually stuffed it with some clothes or some blankets around. But overall, I love how it actually keeps its shape right now. As you can see, it's super spacious inside. And yeah, I was actually right. I was having 5 full blankets right inside this basket. But I believe if they fold it correctly, you can also actually fit way more than just 5. And yeah, overall I have been super happy with this basket. I think it could be a great addition for any space around your home. You can put in a closet, you can put in your living room. I actually planning to keep this one in my office to put some blankets around and just some necessities, but they also can stay very hidden in a nice beautiful basket. I also believe you can find it in a different color, something what can fit your space a little bit better. And yeah, you can see there are some creases right here, but like I said, I believe when I fill it up with items, it will just gone and it will be keeping its shape beautifully. Overall, I have been super happy and highly recommend to check this basket out. Thanks for watching.